This 2025 Coachmen Chaparral 360IBL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 39 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, awning, slide-out, water heater, leveling jacks, external shower, air conditioning, stovetop burner, skylight, refrigerator, microwave, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Chaparral 360IBL is 11,449 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.